Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel. Well, today I want to talk to you about the very latest software update for the LG G5 and I think the C5 OLED. And I'll explain later why I only think it's for the C5, but more importantly I'll be telling you why I believe that you should not install this update. Okie dokie, let's first start off then by taking a quick look at the new software version number. So grabbing our remote control, holding down on the settings button for a long press, and then we go down to support and over to software update, where we can see that the new software version number is 33.30.97, and that is coming from the previous software version number of 33.30.92. Head on over to LG's website now then, and I've put in for a 65-inch G5 OLED, and we can see that new software version number of 33.30.92. That ain't right, that should be saying 97. Right, let's try again, and this time I've put in for a 65-inch C5 OLED, and we can see that new software version number of 33.30.92 again. What is LG doing? As once again, that is the old software version number. So a bit odd there why LG would release a new software update and not release the notes for it. The only thing I can think of is the guy that updates the notes has gone on annual leave, been given the sack, or has fallen asleep in the toilet having a cheeky smoke. Now, as I said at the start of the video, I believe that this update may also be for the C5 OLED. Obviously, I've got a G5 OLED, and as you can see, I've got that new software update. But my missus also has a 77-inch C5 OLED, but has yet to receive any update. Now, quite often this will happen because on the last software update I received it on my G5, about 2 weeks later my fiance received it on her C5. So if you do have a C5 OLED, then just hang tight and hopefully you should get it in the coming weeks. Now, as always, I've been testing out this software update and I'm pleased to say that I found nothing negative to report, but I've also not found any changes either. So why do I believe that you should not install this software update? Well, as they say, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And I do think that is the case here. Now, the previous software update of 33.30.92 was absolutely amazing. So many people were praising the update for the increased brightness, myself included, and other YouTubers too. Honestly, it was one of the best dates we've had in a long while. And as we all know, sadly, some updates aren't so great. And whilst I can't find anything negative to report, is it really worth taking the risk and doing this software update? And maybe I've missed something and it could have a detrimental effect on your viewing experience. I don't think it's worth the risk, but it's down to you at the end of the day, and obviously I'm the guinea pig who's done it. But yeah, I would stick with what you've already got. But with that said, if you don't do this software update, you will have to put up with that really annoying pop-up that comes on every time that you turn the TV on, and it says that there's a software update available. Would you like to install it, yes or no? So yeah, do you want to put up with that, or do you want to take the risk? I don't know, it's a bit of a gamble there. Personally, like I said, I would stick with what you know. I do generally just think this will be a bug fix update because the end numbers have just gone from 9.2 to 9.7, indicating that it is just little bug fixes going on. Generally, that is the case. But what I will do when LG finally update their website and they hopefully will tell us what it has changed, probably bug fixes as I've just said, I'll put a pinned comment in the comments below telling you exactly what LG have posted on their website. Now, I'd love for you guys to hit up the comments section. Let me know if you've received this software update for your G5 or C5 OLED. And if you have, will you be taking the risk and installing it? Or will you be sticking with that amazing previous software update, which has turned the TVs into about as good as they can get? So there we have it then, guys. Now, do us a favour, and if you do appreciate these videos, then please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And hopefully, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.